Hey guys, so some of you are having some trouble trying to figure out how to share your Google Docs so that everybody could comment on it. So I'm going to quickly show you how to do this. So in your Google Doc, I just have here a document called Sample Google Doc. Go to the top corner, and if it's in English, it's in the top right corner. If it's in Hebrew, it's in the top left corner. And you have this blue square that says Share or Shituf. Click on that square, okay? Then you want to go down to the bottom here and click on Change, and you want to make it so that anyone with the link, okay, or it might say anyone on the internet with a link, something like that, okay? Click on that, and then click over here, and you want to make it so that everyone can comment, okay? You want to make it so that anyone on the link who has this link on the internet can comment on it. Copy the link, click done, and then you can send that link to say a WhatsApp group or to me, which is what I want you to do. Okay, that's it for now, so see you tomorrow.